Hi guys, in this Minecraft video today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple but quite good combination lock door. So as you can see, if we click all of the levers, it does not open. You have to click the right ones. So my password, I set it to this, so now the door opens. Now let's get right into that build. So first you're going to want to place down your door. And underneath it, you're going to want to put a redstone torch. Then you dig a block down, redstone dust, block up. Then you just kind of want to swirl it, like that for now. So let's just make the frame for the door quickly. Placing the levers. Once that's done, we go behind. Now we place down the redstone torches where we want our password. In my one, oops, accidentally did that. So in my password is going to be like this. So I will have to click these levers, that one, and that one, to open it. As you can see, the redstone torches will turn off, which, yeah, and the door off. So now you want to place 2 redstone dust like that, a block and a block, just like that. So it looks like that for now. Then redstone dust. Now we want to go under and connect it, and then that's when the door should shut. Let's just quickly repair that, just like this. And now we can make our sort of hallway thing. Then we build it up. And then we go around, click the levers, then boom, it opens, and that is how you make a very simple combination lock door. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.